A researcher wanted to know, how do I add text entry in Qualtrics? I am using Qualtrics survey software. I want to create a question with a category of Other where respondents can add their own text. How do I do that? You want to create an item like this. Which vacation would you prefer? A. Relaxing on the beach. B. Touring museums in Europe. That's what I would choose. C. Going on an ocean cruise. D. Other. And you want your survey takers to be able to fill in the other blank with their own typed response. Here is how you do that in Qualtrics. First, create a new question. You would write your question text and then write each of the item choices. I will just use some placeholders for option 1 and option 2. For the last item, type Other, and then click on the blue triangle. Select Allow Text Entry. And there you go. Your respondents who select Other will now be able to type their own answer.